Let's take a look at a math concept from this week, adding up to subtract. This is something we did before earlier in the year, but we might need a refresher. Why would you add to subtract? A lot of us have brains that are really comfortable with adding and then get a little confused with subtraction. So what if we have the problem 55 minus 27? And we're trying to find the answer. What is 55 minus 27? Well, remember, you could rearrange these numbers to think about it this way. Take that lowest number and start there, 27, plus something will equal that highest number, 55. Now we have a different kind of problem. You have an addition problem where you're finding the change that's unknown. This means that you could use your handy dandy number line and make some leaps and steps to find the answer. You'd start at 27. You know that you're trying to make it to 55. So maybe you think in your brain, what if I start jumping by tenths? 27 plus a 10 gets me to 37. Okay, I still have a ways to go. I could jump another 10. 37 plus another 10 will get me to, make that a 10, will get me to 47. Can I jump a 10 again? No, I would jump too far. So now I could start counting up by ones, or I could jump a 5 and some ones. I'm going to think in terms of ones. I have 47, and now 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Oh man, how many jumps did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I jumped up 8. Now I can take a look at the leaps and steps that I made. I went up by a 10, and an 8. What's 10 plus 10 plus 8? 28. So I jumped a total of 28. 27 plus 28 equals 55. How is that helpful to me? Well, let me look back up here at my original subtraction equation. If 27 plus 28 equals 55, that means now I know that 55 minus 27 equals 28. I want to mention too that you don't have to do it this way. In your math packet, it brings up that you can solve these problems in any way you like. If you would like to work on the standard algorithm with your parent, that's okay. I recommend making sure that you really clearly understand it. But basically what you're doing is taking 55. You have 5 ones and 5 tenths. And then you're taking away 27. You have 7 ones and 2 tenths. Now, when you start this way, remember you start in your ones place. We've talked about this in class before. What's 5 minus 7? It's not 2. You can't magically just flip them. If I have 5 cookies, can I give away 7 cookies? No, I can't just flip the numbers like I would in addition. Well, what do? I know 55 is a bigger number than 27, so I should be able to take it away, but I'm stuck at 5 in the ones place being smaller. What I can do is come over here and take one of my tens and break it up into ones. So now I only have 4 tens, and I've added 10 more ones, so now I have 15 ones. 15 ones minus 7 ones. I'm actually using some adding up to subtract right now. 15 minus 7 is 8. 4 minus 2. Whew! If I have 4 tens, can I take away 2 tens? Yeah, easy peasy. 4 tens minus 2 tens equals 2 tens. I still get a 28. One thing I might recommend, if you or a brother or sister or a parent or grandparent prefer this method, just make sure that you really clearly talk about and understand why we're switching up the numbers as we go. And also, check and see if you can make the connection to the work that we were doing over here. Happy